everybody, what's going on? Hope you're having a great day. Hey, Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com, where we're giving you the best tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation awesome. Our episode today, we're going to be talking about everything you need to know about Disney's Hollywood Studios. So, you want to be taken to the edge of a galaxy or see toys come to life? Then let us be your Disney's Hollywood Studios guide with everything you need to know about Hollywood Studios. And of course, if you haven't done this yet, I don't know why you're waiting, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. Here we go. Hollywood Studios opened on May 1st, 1989. That was the year I was born. As the Disney MGM Studios Park. Since then, it has had a truly Hollywood makeover, and thus, Hollywood Studios was born. Like other Disney parks, Hollywood Studios is ever-changing. When you first enter the park, you are transported to classic California on Hollywood Boulevard. There you can find the turnstiles, guest services, rentals, and maps. Both sides of the strip have shops themed to the movies of Disney, including the rides in the park itself. Straight ahead is Grauman's Chinese Theater, the icon of the park that houses Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. This is a very popular dark family ride and should be on the top of your list. You can also grab treats in this area at kiosks or have a sit-down meal in the Brown Derby restaurant. That's a nice one. Around the corner is Echo Lake, where you can find your first taste of Star Wars with Star Tours. This classic ride is a simulator taking you, the guest, into various scenes from all the trilogies. There is dining around the lake at 50's Primetime Cafe, which, by the way, little insider tip, when you go to 50's Primetime Cafe, ask for the peanut butter and jelly milkshake. You're not going to regret that. It's amazing. All right, so after you stop at Primetime Cafe, you can catch shows like the Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular. And don't forget, Echo Lake is home to Gertie. That's right, the Loch Ness Monster right there in Echo Lake. And inside Gertie, you can get ice cream because everyone knows if you find a dinosaur, they have ice cream inside. Awesome. Now, past the lake is a quick service restaurant, ABC Commissary, and a sit-down restaurant, Sci-Fi Dine-In Theater Restaurant. Here you can sit in what is themed to look like a nostalgic drive-in theater with clips of classic B movies. You can also experience Muppet Vision 3D, which, like it sounds, it's Muppets in 3D. It's awesome. If you're hungry, grab a slice at Pizza Rizzo and top it off with a drink from the Baseline Tap. You know, for the grown-ups. We see you. This leads us to one of the must-see sights and attractions at Hollywood Studios Orlando. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Amazing. If you have socks, prepare to have them knocked off. Okay, you step into the Black Spire Outpost on the planet Batuu. Here, guests can ride Star Wars Rise of the Resistance, an incredibly popular ride. So, you definitely want to keep that in mind because the line will be long. You can also go check out Millennium Falcon, Smuggler's Run, where you actually get to tour inside the Millennium Falcon. You can make reservations to make your own lightsaber or droid. How awesome is that? Then you could grab a drink and a bite at Oga's Cantina. You can walk through the outdoor market for memorabilia or try blue milk. Once you're back on Earth, head to Toy Story Land, themed to look like Andy's backyard. Try to get the best score in your family on Toy Story Mania. Enjoy the family coaster Slinky Dog Dash and hang on tight in the alien swirling saucers. Also, if you want to feel like a kid again, go ahead and grab a grilled cheese sandwich at Woody's Lunchbox as a snack. Who doesn't love grilled cheese? All right, back towards the front are a few indoor experiences. First up is the Star Wars Launch Bay, an exhibit of props from the films located near Walt Disney Presents Gallery Exhibit and Self-Guided Tour, telling Walt's story. They're in the courtyard that houses the Disney Junior Dance Party. This is a great experience for the little ones to see their favorite Disney Junior characters, also indoors. To the right of the front of the park is Sunset Boulevard. You can get treats and enjoy shopping as you head down this street. Ahead of you will be the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. And to your left, the Rock and Roller Coaster, starring Aerosmith. These two rides prove why Disney's Hollywood Studios is for thrill seekers. But if you want something less intense, try the Beauty and the Beast live on stage show down the same road. Hollywood Studios is home to some of the newest and most popular rides and can get packed pretty quickly. Planning ahead of time on which rides you want to hit first is important. We've included a link in the description to a Walt Disney World guide to help. Go check it out. And just so you know, we offer the best discounted prices for Hollywood Studios. You can get in on this deal by visiting orlandovacation.com, or, you know what, give us a call and speak to one of our vacation specialists at 1-800-641-4008. And as always, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation, or just need help planning, we always need that, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.